What's going on, guys? Sturty HD here and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to get Adobe Photoshop CS6 for absolutely free. About a month ago now, just before Christmas, I did upload a video on how to get Adobe Premiere Pro 2018 version for absolutely free. So if you would like to see that, I'll leave a link in the description to that video. But today, yeah, I'll be showing you guys how to get the CS6 edition of Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop 2018 version, I think it is. So yeah, it's very easy, simple, take you a few minutes to do. It'll help you with your thumbnails, like YouTube stuff, or like just graphics designing. For whatever you do. But if you do going to enjoy, smash a like on the video, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on another video. So yeah, I just want to say a big shout out to S Dynamics. His link will be in the description as well for all the support and everything he's been giving me. And yeah, so big thanks to him. Leave a comment, like a nice comment on his channel. Go and subscribe. He hits some really sick Call of Duty clips, but there will be some Fortnite videos coming soon to his channel, I believe. But yeah, without further ado, let's get the video started.
So guys, once you have jumped onto your laptop, PC or whatever you are using, make sure you go down in the description and download this PS download. It says 1 for me because I've already got obviously my own Photoshop, which you can see down here at the bottom. If you're wondering what editing software I do use, I have changed to Film Express 2017 because Adobe was glitching out and just wasn't working for me. But I'm sure it has been working for you guys. So yeah, first of all you need like a device reader or like a file extractor. So I'll leave a link to WinRAR in the description. That's the one I have here. And so what you want to do, you want to right click on the Photoshop download and extract to PS download. So it will extract and you will end up with another file. You want to open this file, go to the Photoshop file, go to the setup file, and you want to just go from there and like obviously set it. You'll have to go through that user command, whatever it is, and then you want to press next. You want to I accept the agreement, press next, next again, next again, next, and then you need a license key. So you'd be like, oh, I can't get a license key, it's fake. So then you go up to this thing called serial key, and then it's called the activation key. You want to highlight it all, press Control and C, and then go back onto here, back onto your setup, which is just here, and press Control and V. Basically Control and C means copy and Control and V means paste. So then you want to press next, install, and your Adobe Photoshop CS6 will now install. So once it has installed, I will be right back to you guys. So it has now finished, so you just want to click finish, and now everything is done. So as you can now see, it will be in your downloads. So yeah, basically I have the exact same one here, but just to prove, I'll type in Photoshop in Katana or whatever you want to call it, and yeah, there we go. Look, Adobe Photoshop C6. So it'll ask you for that user account control thing, whatever you want to call it. You just want to press yes and go into it. As you can see, it's literally took us about 3 minutes to do it. Depending on your I think it's CPU or something, or something like that. I'm not really good with computers. It'll take a little bit to download the Photoshop download file, but either way, it's definitely worth the wait. So yeah, Photoshop will take just a little bit to load. As you see, it's gonna load up in a second. And so yeah, as soon as it started to load, I'll get right back to you guys. So basically, instantly, as soon as I stopped that little clip, then it flicked onto the Photoshop screen. As you can see, everything is now loading. Everything is fine. Everything's good. Look, everything's here. File. I'll give you a sneak peek on some of my live stream things that I've been doing recently for my Twitch channel. So if you haven't got already, go and check it out. It is twitch.tv/SturtyHD. I'll put it on screen now. But yeah, basically this is a Twitch banner I made all by myself. So yeah, I'm pretty proud of it. So yeah, it works exactly. So look, you can move everything about, click on stuff, highlight stuff. It's all fine. Look, you can barely see. I'll just zoom in where I've just. Sorry, I shouldn't really be doing this in a video, but you can see where I've just been through it with the pen. But yeah, it does work. It is a working Adobe Photoshop. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video, drop a like on the video. It'd be absolutely amazing if we could smash 10 likes on the video. Make sure to smash that big red subscribe button down below. Make sure you click the notification bell and turn post notifications on. And as soon as you've done that, let me know in the comment section down below, and you could be my post notification shout out in my next video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching yet another video on my channel. If you would like to see any more how to get Adobe, any more Adobe applications, Sony Vegas, or any other editing software or anything like that, leave your suggestions down below. But thank you guys for watching yet another video on my channel. I've been Sturty HD and you've been brilliant, and until the next video, I will see you guys later. Peace!